Hey everybody, Cousin Jack here. This week, Mark and Doug are turning heads. We're going to see a wired carving. We'll visit the Sant Orso fair in Italy, and we'll spin around YouTube to see what we can see. Just a reminder, all of the resources that I mentioned today will be linked in the description right below this video, and then also in the comments section a little further down the page right below this video. Let's get started. Well, up first today, we'll feature a brand new video from Ian over at the Grizzly Artworks YouTube channel. He's published a new series of tutorials that show you cut by cut how to make some chainsaw carvings. Yeah, you don't really see chainsaw carving tutorials very often, but he's put together a series that includes a video about how to carve an owl, how to carve a bear, and his latest video about how to carve a simple fir tree. Now, each of these videos starts with him showing you what tools he's going to be using. He also shows you how to mark out the pattern on the wood, and throughout the videos he provides some instructional text on screen. There's no talking, but there's some music playing in the background, and you can hear low volume of the chainsaw working. So this video series is a great opportunity for anyone who's interested in getting into chainsaw carving for the first time. Maybe you'll want to try it. I'm sure your neighbors won't mind. Over at the Mark D Maker YouTube channel, Mark Taylor has a new video about turning and tilting the head on a small figure. Now, he mentions early on that this figure is a little 3-inch man inspired by Doug Linker, Alec LaCasse, and also Kevin Coates. In this video, Mark doesn't do any carving. What he does is he shows you a progression of carvings that he has set up from the beginning stage with the block of wood and then through a series of about 8 or 9 different variations where he takes you through the carving process. He also gives you instruction verbally about how he went about orienting the head, getting it turned, and some of the challenges that he faced when he was trying to get the tilt added to the turned head. So it's a good video with some nice information about turning and tilting the head on a carving. You'll also hear Mark make a mention that he is hopeful that Doug Linker will put together a head turning video sometime soon. Take a look and see what you think. Well, just 5 days after Mark Taylor posted his video about turning the head and making the comment about Doug Linker, hoping that he would post a video on turning the head, well, yes, it happened. Doug has posted a new video. It's an expansion on his 3-inch character figure that recently was posted. This time around, Doug is turning the head, and he shows you how to add ears to the little figure as well. So in this video, Doug starts out with a small figure, and the body has already been carved. He left the head still in a block form because in this video, he's really focusing on that head. He starts out by showing you the best way to mark your wood and turn that head, orienting it on the corner that's facing in one direction or the other. And Doug takes you through the step-by-step process of carving the entire face, the hair and the ears, the neck, and the shirt collar. This is a knife-only, beginner-friendly project, and Doug does a fantastic job, as usual, of providing commentary that helps guide you through the carving process. The video quality and audio are top-notch, and as usual, Doug has a really nice approach to making it look simple. Check out this video and enjoy. Well, up next, we'll introduce you to a carver by the name of Charles Vincent. Charles is a grandpa, a Vietnam veteran, and a maker. He has a YouTube channel with more than 50 videos, and some of them are woodcarving videos. His latest video, he shows you how to wire a carving to a base. Now, in this video, he basically talks about different methods that you can use to add a base to your carving. he shows you how he uses a toothpick as a gauge to make sure he gets the holes marked on the base for the drilling process. And he also gives you a little bonus tip on how you can use his method to make yourself a little carving jig. So it's a pretty informative video, and I can tell you that I did learn a few things from watching this video. Who knows? Maybe you will too. Take a look at his channel and check out this video. See what you think. Well, up next we'll visit Italy, where we'll walk through the streets of Sant Orso at the Sant Orso Fair, which goes back more than 1,000 years. Yeah, it celebrates wood carving, wood crafting for more than a millennium. Sarah from Whittled Lovelies has put together a video that takes us on a journey through the streets of Sant Orso, where we can see hundreds of carvings from very talented carvers. There are more than 1,000 exhibitors at this fair, and what we see is a part of that in this video. What you'll find are some amazing carvings, and you'll see that Sarah does a nice job of adding the exhibitor's name on screen. There's also some really nice music playing in the background. It's festive. I think you'll find that there are some really talented European carvers, and maybe they use some different subject matter than you might have seen here in the States or in Canada. Take a look at this video. It's just under 7 minutes long and really enjoyable. And while you're at it, make sure you go to the Whittled Lovelies blog to read the article about the Sant Orso Fair, which describes how it got its beginning way back in the 13th century and gives you some of the details on the history and the background. Over at Whittling Woods, Ken has a brand new video that's geared toward anyone who's interested in getting into the wonderful world of whittling. One of his viewers reached out to Ken and asked him to do a video on how to carve a tree branch using found wood, basically. Ken decided to use the idea and make it a learning opportunity for anyone who's interested in getting started. So, he takes some time to talk about the types of whittling knives that he has and that he uses. He talks about the various types of wood that he recommends. He also gives some safety tips, and he shows you the sharpening tools that he has and that he uses for sharpening and honing his knives. Now, Ken also includes a whittling demonstration where he takes a tree branch, he uses a variety of his knives, and carves a figure into the tree branch. So this is a really beginner-friendly video for anyone who's interested in getting started, or maybe is already getting started, to learn more about tools, wood, how to whittle, and have some fun. Check out Whittling Woods and enjoy. There's a brand new video from Alec LaCasse where he's showing you how you might improve some of your carvings. What he's done is kind of gone back in time to some of the carvings he's made in the past and used a critical eye to say, how could I make it better? So he kind of talks you through that process. He puts up a photo of one of his previous carvings and then talks through some of the things that he would like to modify in order to have a better carving. And then he shows you the updated version and how it looks now. During this process, he talks about changes, modifications that he makes to the facial features. Alec is a very talented carver, and he does a great job of carving realistic looking faces. He also talks about changes to some of the hair, how it flows, and some of the prominence or the softness of it. And he will give you a little tip about how he fixed a prominent crack that was in the forehead of one of the carvings. And you'll see the difference in the video. So Alec does a really nice job of kind of walking you through these different carvings and talking about how he has progressed as a carver and how he makes changes now that he may not have been actually seeing in the past because he has the experience and the knowledge that maybe he didn't have when he started out. That's probably true of most of us, and I think we all have an opportunity to learn. And this video is just under 13 minutes long. It's packed full of knowledge nuggets. Take a look at Alec's new video and all the other great content that he has on his channel. Have you seen our new 5 Fast Questions podcast/video series yet? You should check it out. You'll hear some great stories and pick up some sound advice from some really talented wood carvers. This week's brand new episode features Eric Owens. And in the weeks ahead, you're going to hear from Taylor White, Roger Stegall, and Jeff Fairs. So if you've missed any of those episodes, all you have to do is click right over here. You'll see the entire list of the video series. Folks, I want to thank you for being here. We'll see you next week.